Have you ever wondered why some local businesses seem to dominate the search results on Google while others barely make an appearance? The difference isn't merely luck, it lies in a specific set of strategies and techniques known as local SEO. This guide will break down these steps, equipping you with the knowledge you need to enhance your business's online presence and attract customers who are ready to buy without the need for expensive advertising. Understanding local SEO differs significantly from traditional SEO. When a user searches for local services, Google displays what's known as the local pack, the top results featured on a map. These listings capture 60 to 70% of all local clicks, making them critical for your business. Google primarily considers three factors when determining who appears in this local pack: relevance, distance, and prominence. Relevance refers to how well your business matches the searcher's intention. Distance measures how close your business is to the individual conducting the search. Prominence indicates how established and trusted your business is online. Most local competitors often settle for minimum effort, having set up their Google business profile years ago and neglected its upkeep. This creates a unique opportunity for you to outperform even the most established businesses in your area. Setting up your Google business profile. A solid foundation for local SEO begins with a properly optimized Google business profile, GBP. Assume you've already verified your GBP. If not, it's essential to set that up first. Categories and services. Many businesses make the mistake of selecting just one category, which limits their visibility. Google allows you to select up to 10 categories. Use as many relevant ones as possible. For instance, if you're in plumbing, don't stop at just plumber. Include additional categories like plumbing contractor, emergency plumber, and others that describe your services. For services, enumerate everything you offer and break them down into specific tasks. This detailed approach enhances your visibility and relevance in search results. Crafting your business description. Your business description is crucial for optimization. To create a compelling description that meets Google's guidelines, use AI tools. Input your business name, founding date, main services, and service area, and the AI can generate a fitting, well-structured description. Gathering reviews. One effective method to accumulate reviews is to directly request feedback from past clients via text. A personal approach yields a higher response rate, around 30 to 40%, rather than the typical under 5% response from automated systems. Posting on GBP. Regularly posting updates on your Google business profile is essential. Consider creating around 30 posts addressing services or common customer queries. Utilizing scheduling tools can streamline this process and ensure a steady stream of fresh content on your profile. Keyword research for local SEO. Identifying the right local keywords is simpler than traditional keyword research due to the defined geographic area involved. Start by using Google in an incognito browser and typing in your primary services. Let Google's auto-suggestions guide you to popular local search queries. Additionally, explore the People Also Ask section at the bottom of search results, which offers direct insights into the types of queries potential customers are making. Focus on terms indicating buying intent, such as emergency plumber near me, rather than informational queries where users seek DIY solutions. Structuring your local website. The architecture of your website is pivotal for SEO success. Begin with a well-optimized homepage, targeting your primary service and location, incorporating Google Maps and local business schema markup. Creating category and service pages. Develop category pages that link to specific services. Each category should naturally lead to related services, enhancing usability and relevance. Supporting content on popular services and targeted location pages for neighborhoods can also improve ranking potential. Each individual page should provide valuable targeted information, including keywords that align with what customers are searching for. This targeted content approach ultimately builds trust with Google. Writing engaging content. When producing content for your homepage and service pages, ensure it addresses common customer concerns while naturally incorporating relevant keywords throughout. Aim to highlight your expertise, unique value points, and location-specific details to resonate with both Google and your audience. Use AI tools to draft initial versions, but ensure you tailor the final product to include your personal experience and insights, enriching the content's authenticity. Technical aspects of local SEO. The technical side of local SEO involves four critical components. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure your website functions optimally on mobile. Most local searches come from users on their phones, so mobile usability is vital. Loading speed. Use tools like PageSpeed Insights to identify and rectify issues slowing down your site. Schema markup. Implement local business schema on your GBP landing page and ensure that this matches your GBP information precisely. Google Search Console. Regularly check for any issues Google may encounter while indexing your site. Building quality links. Local link building is more about quality than quantity. Here are effective ways to cultivate valuable local links. Join your local chamber of commerce for significant local visibility. Partner with product manufacturers and get listed on their websites. Seek sponsorship opportunities in local events or youth sports leagues. List your business in reputable industry directories relevant to your field. Create press releases for significant milestones or community initiatives. Only a few strong links may be necessary to rank well, so focus on acquiring quality connections. Measuring your progress to improve what you don't measure. Regularly check your rankings using tools to track your local SEO performance. Pay attention to fluctuations to understand where efforts are yielding success and where adjustments may be needed. Consider employing AI to analyze your ranking data and suggest targeted content or improvements to enhance visibility further. Advanced strategies for local SEO, seasonal optimization. Anticipate seasonal peaks in your business and create timely content and GBP posts to capitalize on elevated search volumes during those times. Competitor analysis. Study competitors ranking well for keywords you're targeting to identify potential gaps in your strategy that you can exploit. Managing competitor spam. Rather than reporting competitors indulging in spammy practices, focus on improving your service quality and digital reputation. Conclusion: mastering local SEO may seem complex, but it all boils down to a series of manageable steps: optimizing your GBP, building relevant content and structure, acquiring quality links, and regularly measuring your progress. With discipline and consistency, you can surpass even long-established businesses in your area. If you need assistance, I remind you that employing AI to generate content can save you time and yield effective results. By incorporating these elements, you will position yourself for success in dominating local search. Make sure to subscribe for more tips. Drop the comment, help me rank for more videos like this.